slowly we make progress on the wiring harness. You can kind of see it all unraveled here, all undone as it goes into the box. But Hank's doing a really nice job of dovetailing in brand new wire. Again, using the appropriate trace wire and solid wire, welding it in with good solder. So our solder gun sits down here, but it does all the small pieces, welds in what we need, retapes it, and then we'll retape the whole wiring harness. So making good progress. We also use a heat shrink at the very end, where we heat shrink up our solder. So that's what you're seeing right there, is heat shrink. Holds it there with a little clip. Then ultimately just does the actual soldering process. It slides over ultimately the heat shrink, which goes over it. Then he heats that up. Process is done. There's protection over it, and then he will ultimately tape it right back into the wiring harness.